Hey y'all, I'm Sharon with SouthernBellaHome.com, a blog where I talk all about healthy and wholesome farmhouse living with gracious Southern style. Today, you see me sitting in our 1900 farmhouse dining room. This is a new cabinet that we put in this summer that I'm just loving, and you see fruit and things on it, but that's not my pantry, and that's not what we're talking about today. I have a little farmhouse homestead pantry that I call my working pantry. It is beautiful. I believe it's vintage, it's reclaimed, it's DIY, it's all of the above. And I have thrifted almost every single container that you see used for storage. Now, this is not my long-term storage pantry. Why I call it my working pantry is I have these items that I store in my long-term pantry and I refill the jars in the farmhouse pantry. So today I'm going to show you creative storage solutions for your pantry, how you can decorate your pantry and celebrate the seasons. And if you enjoy the farmhouse style, perhaps you'll like some of the things I've used to store. I'll show you some of the things that we harvested from our homestead and stored there. Now, this is not where I keep most of my canning. There is some of my things that I've canned for the summer, but most of them are in another location. So today it's all about the Farmhouse Homestead Working Pantry. I hope you get some creative ideas. If you like what you see here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. So I hope you enjoy the tour of the Farmhouse Pantry, and I'll see you when we're done. Well, friends, welcome to our sweet little homestead farmhouse pantry. It's all decorated up for fall to celebrate the harvest. When designing our farmhouse pantry, I really wanted to create a mood. Now that may sound odd, but I really wanted this farmhouse pantry to evoke the feelings of yesteryear, of what a pantry may have looked like back in the day when this was built. I love the mix of different types of storage. I love the old brick floors and the rag rug and the vintage cabinets that we reclaimed from a historic home where they had been taken out. I like the idea of putting seasonal decorations in here, and I love looking at our cast iron collection. Even the medicinal herbs that I grew this year are proudly displayed up top on the shelves my husband built. And things like my collection of vintage aprons, pretty little bundles of dried herbs, they all help to create kind of an ambiance here in the pantry. And I do enjoy that because I have to be in here every day. A house full of men, I'm cooking a lot. So I want it to be cute, seasonal, pretty. I just want to enjoy being in my pantry. I keep lollipops and snacks in here too. It's not just all work. But, I have two boys still at home. I want them to remember home being a cozy place where we celebrated the seasons, where Mom tried to make things fun and decorative. I hope they enjoy it. I hope they remember it. I'm trusting that they will. Since I cook from scratch, the most important thing that I keep in my farmhouse pantry are staples: flours, sugars, grains, nuts, flavored oils, flavored vinegars. I keep just a few things like tomatoes and pickles, like I said, but mostly our jams, our jellies, honey, all those sorts of things that help me to create meals. That is what I keep well stocked, and I refill these jars from buckets of bulk items that I have in another location. Things like candy toppings when I bake, I love to keep things like that, and all of my seasoning mixes that I've made myself. If you ever go thrifting, that's the perfect time to pick up pieces for storage in your pantry. Anything with a nice, snug-fitting lid can be used for beautiful storage. I love mason jars and jelly jars you see here, but I also enjoy using things like these Hull USA pottery crocks. I made it my goal to really be frugal when outfitting our homestead farmhouse pantry. I didn't want to sacrifice beauty or style for functionality. I wanted to be able to achieve both without spending lots of money. And I was able to do it with the help of the thrift store and Facebook Marketplace. One frugal thing that I've done is I have found lots of jars with no lids, but at thrift stores they have lids to pots and pans for around 25 cents each, and they fit the tops of these jars perfectly, and I think they're pretty. It was a perfect storage solution for my flowers. I want to share with you these rag tassels that I made from the fabric of an old shirt that I bought at a thrift store for $1 because I loved the colors for autumn. I'm going to be showing in an upcoming video just exactly how to make these tassels so you can make some too. My husband and I have redone this whole farmhouse in very frugal ways, like laying our own brick floors down, redoing these cabinets. We also search for Facebook Marketplace bargains, just like this little green step stool that's perfect to help me reach my upper shelves. Also, I really scour thrift stores for jars with clamp-on lids. Usually they can be found from 25 cents to $2. Just my price. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoyed seeing our little farmhouse homestead pantry all decorated up for fall, ready to go into the winter season with all of our yummy food tucked away, stored up from the summer harvest. And I hope you got some ideas about some ways that you can put pretty decorations in your farmhouse pantry, some creative storage solutions that you can use, how you can do it and not spend a whole lot of money. Maybe I gave you some ideas. If you like what you saw, I do hope you'll subscribe. I hope you'll like, comment, let me know what you liked. Let me know if you have some other ideas that I might can use. And I hope you'll look for some more videos coming up soon. I also just finished filming a fall tour of our cozy master bedroom, so I hope you'll come back for that. And friends, I also hope that you'll come see me over at southernbellahome.com. It's a blog where I cover all the bases of home and homestead, so come check it out. Also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. I hope to see you soon, and until then, friends, may the good Lord bless and keep you. Bye, y'all.